So it was really a beautiful afternoon where we have enjoyed so much. This is the really beautiful greenery field area where in afternoon lots of spectators, lots of visitors, they have come here for enjoying their beautiful time. And in the same way today we have passed our beautiful afternoon here actually. So oh, I think like this time a moment is pretty much important in our life for enjoying such type of time. So sometimes we get bored, sometimes we get bothered. There is a required time to refresh our mind, to ignite our mind in a creative way, in a natural way, in an innovative way, and that is the part of hanging out. And in the same way today I did not only me but also along with my senior brother, we have enjoyed this beautiful afternoon here in this place, and this is quite a beautiful place. So guys, let me know that what are you doing in your free time. And in my free time I used to do lots of works, a bunch of works for motivating myself, for learning myself, for enhancing my knowledge. I have been doing. Oh, so you can ask me like what types of dates you are doing in your freedom. So my answer would be, oh, like I think I'm one kind of creative person. I I don't do only one thing. I'm messed with several things. I'm learning many things, the skill, the language, and the other things. I don't want to mention here, but stay with me. I will let you know that what I'm doing in the next time. But the thing is like I'm always being motivated. I'm always being passionate to do something good, to do something creative, and I think that it is the most important to to be motivated, to be passionate, to be confident, or to be innovative. It is actually crucial in our human being. Oh, so hopefully you guys are doing the good thing. Let me know like if you want to know anything from my side. You can ask me like how can you improve your English. So it's simple. Do practice a lots of. Without practice, without speaking, without open your mouth, it will never be possible. So it is very simple answer. Like you have to do practice. So you can ask me like from which side can I start my practice session. So I will tell you like the basic things whatever you are doing in your day-to-day life. Like you are eating something, you can translate it in English. You are going something, you are walking, you can make a simple story like today what you did or how was your day when you woke up from morning. This is the very general thing, and this is the very simple thing. So first of all start from these basic things, then little by little, slow by slow, you will be master on it. It is very simple. So people like who want to learn anything, first of all they have to do lots of practice. So after practice it will come automatically in your subconscious mind. So this is the only one solution, that like do practice. How much you are getting time, just use it in a proper way, in a uh, exact way. Actually you have to use it, you have to utilize your time. So hopefully you got my point, and try to make some videos. Like it is also good for your communication skill, for your for your English skill. Like whenever you are making some videos, after making a video you can watch it again, and you can observe in that video like where was your mistake and what types of mistake you did. Was it grammatical mistake, or was it pronunciation mistake, or it was anything else mistake. So just simply you have to do it. Oh look, the cow. Wow, very fatty cow. Very fatty cow. Oh, my senior brother, he is watching Bengali meme, like Bengali video, and he's enjoying this type of video. Oh, so I will tell you, like, don't watch those types of video, like any uh, Bengali video. That is actually there is no any point of learning. Don't watch those type video. Rather than you can watch some learning videos, some creative video. Uh, like you can think like you are learning at least a little thing, like this is the way uh, how you have to pass your time, how you have to watch your time, how you have to utilize your time. So that's all in this video. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video, and stay with me. I will make another new video and I will talk about the very interesting topic in another video. So still then stay best. Thank you.